So let's start our work to make mandala step by step for beginners. Okay, so firstly we need to put this pencil accordingly with the same line with the compass point thing. And okay, so I'm just arranging it and tightening it. Now I just need center of this square. I have taken this square and say kind of a box, rectangular box. It's not square. Basically you can take any shape. You can take triangle also, you can take circle also, or you can take any square box, rectangular box, or hexagon, any shape. Okay, but basically today I wanted to take this kind of a box to make you guys understand how it works. Okay, so firstly I would like to tell you we need to divide the box into 4 equal parts, approx, kind of, not measuring from scale how much inches it is. I'm just making it approx. Okay, so let's start it. I'm just thinking that approx this will be the means like this line can be the center for this. Okay, so with a light handed I am just making a line, and another side also when I'm seeing proportion downside and upside accordingly. So I think that the proportion means like this can be the center. Okay, so little bit upside and this can be the center. Okay, you can make from center or you can make from side also, but I'm taking it today from the center one. So this will be the light. I will make the line light shade. Now I am ready with the 4 parts of my square box, means like box. Okay, so from the center point, from this point, okay, from this point I will put my compass pin over here, and simultaneously I will arrange the compass accordingly. I need to make a big circle, then a small circle. I will go with the last line first. Okay, let's start making the circle from the last line. Okay, a very rough line, not very darkened one. Okay, you need to make a very light one. You can see. So I have to make it a very light one, not that much dark. Okay, now the another lines I'm making. Any size, any inch, any centimeter, you don't need to count it how much far away you need to make the mandala. It can be any proportion you are making the compass, but it's just inside. I'm pulling it inside so that I can get a number of circles, so that I can draw mandala very cleanly and very nicely. Okay, so getting a proportion equally in the mandala, I am using this compass. Otherwise I can make it free-handedly also, but making it free-handedly for beginners, it can be tricky one. Okay, so need to use compass for the beginners. Okay, for another circles I'm using it. When I am coming in the middle of the box of the 4 boxes I have created, I'm making it bit smaller. The distance I'm making it bit smaller because I wanted to make a very small designs in the mandala. So see how I'm doing it. Okay, now more smaller circles. Some more. You need to hold the pencil because compass will move if you don't hold the pencil nicely. Okay, this I get it. Now this will be my base for making a mandala. Now what is the use of D in it? Now I tell you what is the use of D. If you are making it for the first time or you wanted to be equal in proportion of your design, you can use D very wisely. Okay, you need to just put this this 0 degree over here in the middle at this point we are putting it, okay, this point we are putting it over here. And now I need to just divide this proportion into angles, means like equal points. Like on this 80 degree I'm making a point, okay, so on this 70 degree I'm making a point, on 60 degree I'm making a point, and on 50 also I'm making a point, and then again 40 I'm making a point, and 30 and 20 and so on, okay. The same procedure I will follow for this side also, same one, okay. I will be putting a dot on every degree, okay, like this you can also put, okay. Now I will remove this too, okay. So I will get a point where I can just make a lines, okay. If you are not confirmed with the angles, means like if you're not very nice in making the lines according to proportions equally, so you need to do from this side also, okay. Just put the same way we have put it for the upward, for the downward also, and put the dots accordingly on every degree, means like 70 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree angle. Every angle you need to just put a dot, okay. Okay, so I got the dot for the angles from this side also. Now I just need to join the dots with my scale. Now one dot is here and another is here, so crossing this center point, okay, I will join these dots, okay. From till the box is made, okay. The same way I will make for the second one as well. So we are complete with our base of mandala. If you want to create some more circles, we can, because it seems to be like very much space over here without any circle. For making the proportions equally, so I am just making a big circles in the end, inside the box only, not outside the box, because I have made it this design of box to create a mandala inside it, okay. So I'm just opening the compass, not with any measurement. Normally I'm just making the circles, outer circles. Again I'm opening it a bit, again I'm making a circle, and from the upside also, and again the last one. We can do the finishings of outer circle later, like the outer pencil I have made, we can erase it. Pencil marks, we will be erasing it in the end also to give the final touch to the drawing, okay. So now the base is complete. For the making a mandala, we have this base. So now we will be starting up with the design, okay. So before starting, I will suggest, if you want to rub a bit, means like a very lighter rubber, if you hold the rubber very lightly and you want to remove some of the lines, so that in the end it will be easy for you to rub it, the pencil lines. So that's why I will be doing a little lighter of the pencil marks. I will be rubbing it so that the pencil lines can be the lighter in shade. and it will be not hard for me to rub it in the end. Now let's start the mandala. While making a mandala, you can easily move your copy or a sketchbook like this roundedly. It's nothing wrong in it, okay? So while I am making it, I am also moving it very much. Means like every second I am moving it, okay? So don't panic about moving your sketchbook. So here we are done with the mandala art today for the beginners step by step. And now we will see you in the next video, and till then, signing off, Sheba. Thanks for watching Mandala Art channel by Sheba.